Hello everyone, today I would like to regard the corporate social responsibility in the hospitality industry as my main topic, and the energy consumption is the main issue I choose. This is the outline of my whole presentation. Firstly, I would like to critically analyze what is the CSR and the benefits of the CSR to the company, and then the company how to achieve the CSR in the operation. And the second part is the main problem, energy consumption, and we will evaluate the impact of this problem on the environment and the economy to the hotel industry, and we will using some hotels as the example to show how to solve this problem in their operation, and then is the conclusion and the references. Firstly, CSR is a long-term business strategy to the company to improve their sustainable development, and they will provide the economic, social, and the environmental benefits for their stakeholders as a return. In this whole process, companies can receive the many benefits by practicing the CSR, like improve their companies the image, improve the employees' performance, and attract more and more the consumers and improve their loyalty. At the same time, they also can strengthen their competitiveness in this metro market. This is the pyramid. This is a guide to the company to practice their CSR in the operation. We can see the economic responsibilities is the base of the whole pyramid. It means that this one is the most important. Company need to consider the profits before the behaviors, and then ensure the behaviors are legal beyond the ethical expectation, and then return to the society. In our daily life, we can see that some companies choose to attend some charity events, like donating some money, contributing some resources to the local community and the society to help them develop. This is the best for them to achieve their CSR in their operation, and then return to the society. And the second part is energy consumption. Actually, the energy consumption is one of the factors for the company to provide the environmental benefits for the society. At the same time, it also occupies a big part of the hotel industry. We can see it occupies the 40% of the cost of the hotel operations, and it also accounts of the 60% of the carbon pin. This is a figure shows the energy management in the hotels. We can see most of the hotels will spend the energy on the heating and the cooking, and which is the 35%. And then by comparing with the other industry like the hotel, hospital, and the office, the electricity demand of the hotel is still higher than the others, especially in summer. Because in the summer, hotels need to open the air conditioner to provide the service for the consumers by creating a suitable and comfortable environment. That is the reason why the demand in the summer will be high. And then by contrast with the spring and the winter, the demand will be reduced. And the impact of the energy consumption for the hotel. Energy consumption will occupy the 60% of the hotel's CO2 emissions, and then the 3% to 6% of the operation cost. Especially in the America, they spend the $2,196 per guest room in the energy cost each year, and then the lighting will up to the 45% of the hotel energy usage. That is the reason why the hotels need to find a method to reduce the energy consumption, because they need to save the money and then reduce the cost. Actually, the energy consumption is also bad for the environment. For the environment, the energy consumption will increase the CO2 emissions, and this process they will burning some more fossil fuels, which is one of the main factors to cause the global warming. And the figure 6 shows the pollution sources. We can see the electricity is the one of the main sources in the air pollutions. So the companies need to find the methods to achieve the environmental friendly in their operation. And there are two examples to show the company how to do. And some experts says the company can try to find some renewable energy to instead of some traditional methods. And efficient in energy system is also useful. This kind of the ways can help company to improve their energy sustainable. The first example is the Hilton. Hilton tried to install the solar powered hot water heater to reduce some the fossil fuel, and they will use the connected room technology to make the consumers can control the lights and the temperatures when not in the rooms. Actually, this kind of the methods are very successful because in the 2018, the hotel reduced the energy consumption by 22%. So it can prove that this strategy is successful, and then it can be used in the future. And then is the Marriott. Marriott is another the four-star hotels in the industries, and they have the many the consumers in the one days. So they will use an innovative system to control the lighting system, and then the electric distribution system, and then for providing the best service and then environment for consumers. They will according to the consumers the hobby of the temperature and the light and then the electricity demand. So they will adjust the system to find the best one for consumers. So overall, the company needs to achieve the CSR in their operation because this is the expectation from the public to companies, and they must need to return to the society when they're successful. And then the energy consumption is a big cost for the hotel industries, and it also bad for the environment. So the hotels need to find methods to solve the problems, maybe using some renewable energy, and then using the innovative technology to reduce the cost, and then monitor the temperature and the energy usage in the operation. So this is my whole presentation. Thank you for watching, and this is my references.